for the Pancake Windmill, then you're going to set yourself up in a straddle position, so with your legs wide apart, and then you're going to be twisting down to one side. Now, that's the windmill part. Now, beginners, that might be intense enough, so you gauge as you see fit. The more advanced you are, the more weight you can use. Now, the important thing for this is where you engage. So you want to really lock your knees out and engage your hips. It's almost like you're pulling your femur up into your hip bone as you fold down, and you're also twisting your body. Ideally, you want to get your shoulder down to the ground. Initially, that's going to be challenging. So just go down as far as you can. Maybe it's down to your thigh, maybe it's further, maybe it's not so far. But the whole movement with weight looks like this. So you're going to press up to vertical. That's going to be nice and stable, gripping nice and tight, reaching up as high as you can in this position. Then engage through the hips, lock the knee down, and pull yourself down into this position. In this position, hold for a couple of seconds and then squeeze back up. In this position, you're really reaching the hand towards the ceiling, and then down again. Hold, 2, 3, and press back up again. When you bring the weight down, do so cautiously, especially if you've got a decent amount of weight in your hand. That's the Pancake Windmill.